Hey yo, what's up guys, this is me Priyanshu and welcome back to my YouTube channel Nucleatic. And in this today's video we are going to talk about how you can hide the bottom tab navigator in some specific screens. So let's get started. First you have to create a new project, a fresh new project. I'll open CMD in here and type out expo in it. You can give any name to the project. I'm giving it hide. Okay, choose the blank template. Okay, so it's ready. Now we have to install some dependencies. So what we'll do is cd hide, and now we will install npm install install react navigation / native. Okay, it's also installed. Now we have to install one more dependency, which is npm install react navigation / bottom tabs. Okay, our dependencies are ready and project is also ready, so we can just open our code editor, whichever you use. I like to use VS Code, so VS Code enters the chat. Okay, now we have to create a folder named screens and one more folder named navigation. Now we'll come to screens and create four files named home.js, about.js, account.js. What happened? Shit, man. Create a file account.js. Okay, that's right. And one more file that will be named post.js. Okay, and now we will create the components out of these files. Type out rnfes home okay, that looks dope. Okay, and in about, I'm spamming these so that I don't waste your time. Again, account post. What just happened? Post, again spam. Okay, now you have to come to the navigation folder and create tab navigation.js, one more file named main navigation.js, and one more file named stacks navigation.js. Okay, perfect. Now come to tab navigator and create the component out of this file. Type out rnfes, then import in here create bottom tab navigator, create a variable named tab, create bottom tab navigator. We'll type out here tab.navigator. Okay, and now in here what we'll do is we will create some screens of our tabs. Okay, so what we'll do is then type out tab dot screen. Okay, and you have to name these screens like if it's a home screen, then you can name it home or anything, whichever you like. I'm giving it home. it is actually useful, it is actually important. So when you navigate in your app anywhere from to home page, then you have to give this same name which is here to the navigation function that we will use to navigate to other components, okay, other components or other pages. So we will name it home component. So in here we will use the same component which we created in this home file, okay, in this home file. So just come in here, import home and type out home in here, okay. And now we have to create 4 of these screens, because we have home, about, account and post. Or you can say we will create just 3 of them: home, about and account. I'll name this about, name this account, and I want the about component, I want the account component. That's perfect. And now what you have to do is to come to this main navigation, okay. In this main navigation you have to type out the component and import navigation container and type navigation container in here, create the tag component. And now you have to, what you have to do is import that tab navigator, okay, that tab navigation, and tap that in here. Okay, and now come back to app.js. In here remove these all components and everything, and in here you have to import main navigation like that, and type this main navigation in here or paste it, do whatever you like, I don't care. Okay, so now probably you do not understand what I did, so let me explain. I was actually doing it in bit fast speed. So what I did is I created navigation folder and the screen folder. In this screen we have all the screens like about screens, you can say pages of our app. In this screen folder we have about page, account page, home page and a post page, okay. And we have a navigation folder which have main navigation, stack navigation, tab navigation. Just forgot about stack navigation, we will cover it later in just 2 minutes. So what I did is in tab navigation, first I created the tab navigator. Without this tab navigator you can create the bottom tabs. So I created this tab navigator, and in this tab navigator I created some screens which are home, about and account, and I named those screens like home, about, account, because if you it is actually necessary to name these like if you want to navigate to other screen in the tab, then you have to name this you have to type out the same name which is given here by you. And in component we are using the same component which were here in this, like home, home for home, about for about, and account for account, okay. So now we will open this app in our emulator. Probably there's a lot of chances that if you are beginner, then you probably don't have a good PC. Then I will prefer you to open the app in your existing mobile phone, okay. So what I will do is type out, I will press Ctrl Shift and C, and it will open the CMD in this folder for me. So in CMD type out npm start. It will take some time, but it will start. Okay, it started, and now I will click A, and now my emulator will open the app. Okay, great. Okay, it's open. Okay. Wait, what is this written in here? सब्सक्राइब कर लो, ये चैनल अच्छा है. Okay, अच्छा. So now what we have to do, see, you can see that we have three pages in here, in three tabs in here: home, about, and account. Okay, so I you can see that I'm also able to navigate to this, like home. When I click on home, I get home. When I click on about, I get about, and when I click on account, I get account. Okay, so now what I have to do is I will hide the uh, uh, tab navigator in my post page. Okay, in this post page, this will be a different page from this tab navigator. That's why I did not include this in this tab navigator screens. Okay, now what you have to do is come to stack navigation, create the component, create native, what the fuck, okay, I got it. You have to install a dependency for this stack navigator too. So what we will do is type out npm install react navigation native stack. Okay, okay, it's installed. Now it should not give me any problems. We will type out stack. Okay, see, I'm getting the create native stack navigator prompt in here. Okay, now what I'll do, create a stack const stack create native stack navigator, and now in here just remove this stack navigation, and in here type out export const home stack. Okay, return. In here you have to type stack dot navigator, same as the tab navigator, and in here you have to type out stack dot screen, stack dot screen. Name the screen whatever you want to give it. I have got that post screen in here, which is just which I will use to hide the bottom tab navigator. So what I'll do is name post, and the component will be post. Okay, this is and remember this is the same component as this post. Okay, now so you can actually create so many screens in here, like stack screen, this is like you can create profile and anything whichever you like, but for today I'm only using this post for the tutorial purpose. Okay, so this is home stack, and see, this home page will have all the screens like this. This home stack will have will hold all the screens for this home tab. Okay, so I want the post page on this home page, I mean in the home stack. So I have given this, but if I did not give any other page in this area, in this stack navigator, what will happen is, come to tab navigation, import the home stack, and in here instead of home, give it the home stack. Okay, give it the home stack. See what is happening here. In home I'm getting post, So you can see I'm getting the post page in here. So now my post page is in the home stack, but in home stack I want the home page, but there is not the home page in the home stack, which is necessary, which we have to give, which I want the home page, the page which I want in the home stack to be. So what I will do is copy this and create a home page. I don't think what I did, why I changed this. I just changed this for just it was not looking good. I like to keep my most of the letters in uppercase. Okay, I mean capitalize. So we will change this from post to home. Okay, perfect. Now there are two pages in home stack, not in this about, no, this is not this in account, but in home page, home stack. Okay, behind this home screen there's a post page. Okay, there's a this post page is behind this home page. So now what I will do is remove remove this headers, because this is causing problem for me. Okay, so how we can do that? Before that, before we move on to that, I want to tell you that you have to give an initial root name on Tab Navigator, and also on Stack Navigator. As I mentioned earlier in my previous video, that it is used like in Tab Navigator, which screen you want to appear first when you open the app. So I will give initial route name to be home. Okay, let me just do this home stack. Don't keep it home, okay, don't keep it home, because we have already a page named home in here, and it can cause us problem. So as like this is a home stack, in this is a home stack, so give this a home stack name. Okay, so I want my initial route to be home stack. Okay, now what will this do is open my home stack, home page, home stack always when I open the app. See, this is opening my home page, and if I change this about to about, what it will do is give me the about page by default. See, I will reload the app and boom, I'm getting about page. Okay, so this is important, and you should give the initial route name for your navigators, and same thing I have to do in the Stack Navigator too. I will give initial route name to home. In this also, if I did not give the initial route name as home and give it the post, it will bring my post on the top of the home stack. But the problem is, let me open this again. It will bring my post page on the top of the home stack. Okay, so you have to give the initial route name as the page, like if you have to give the name of the stack screen or Tab Navigator screen to the initial route name which you want to be the first when you open the app. Okay, so I want the home, so I will give it the home. So and now I am not going to tell you how you can style this home stack, this label and about and account, these text which are given in here, because I have already told these things in my previous video. You can check that out. In this video we are going to focus on how you can remove the Tab Navigator in specific screens. Okay, so come back to Tab Navigation. As now we will type out screen options and give screen options in here. We will create a variable named screen options, and we will type out header show false. It should work fine. It's not working. Header shown. Okay, header shown false. And you can do the same thing in Stack Navigator 2, which is simple. Screen options, header shown to false. Okay, perfect. See, the header is gone from here, from everywhere, cause we just removed from the Stack Navigator and the Tab Navigator too, so we are not getting any header in any navigator. So now what we'll do is import get focused route name. Okay, this get focused route name from route, and in here we will create a function const get route name, and the parameter will be route, and here const name, and give this get focused route name from route, and type out this route in here. Okay, and let me check if it's working. Console log route name, let's see. Oh, sorry, it will not work because I am not assigning this to anything. I mean, I am not using this function anywhere. So first what we'll have to do is come to tab navigator and type out here options, then route, then this, then this. Okay, perfect. Now type out tab bar style, and now in here we are going to use this get route name function like display to be get route name. Okay, for now let me just let me show you something. If I did none in here, you can see the tab navigator is disappeared from in here. From the home stack there is no tab navigator. So now what we will do is conditionally render the tab navigator with the help of this get route name. So remove this none from here, get the get route name function and paste it in here, and type out route in here. This route will be type out this in like this here, and now come in get route name, and first we have to check if it's working or not. Okay, so for now I will just return block for now. Okay, let's see, undefined, no problem. But when we let me just come to home page, change this to pressable. Okay, so now give a function, give type out on press in here, and get the navigation from here. So what we will do is make this button to get us to the post page, not post but home page or post page, whichever you like. I am going to make this button navigate us to post page. So navigation dot navigate post. See, as I told you before, that we need the name of the screen which we want to navigate to, so it is important to write it as simple as possible, and I mean you just name it as you like, but I don't care. Okay, so after typing this we will come back to tab navigation, I mean stack navigation, then change the initial route name is already home, come in here. Okay, perfect. Let me just reload this. See, we are getting the home page in here. Home page, about page, account page. In this home page, when we click on this subscribe कर लो ये चैनल अच्छा है, we are being navigated to the post page. Okay, and this is giving us the post page in here. See, this is logging the post page. See, okay, which is absolutely perfect. Okay, home, we are on home currently. Okay, so what we will do is we will type out in here that if route name dot includes post, okay, then return none. See, when we navigate to the post, okay, the route name will be changed to post. I mean, route name will have the post. This spelling will be contained by post. This string will be contained by post, and we are checking in here if the route name contains this spelling, and if route name have this post, it will return us none. Else block. I mean, if it have post, it means we are on the post page, and if it did not return if it did not have the post, it means we are not on the post page, so it will return us block. And many beginners did not understand what this return do, so let me tell you that this return give us back a value which we wants to send from the function. Okay, return from the function. So this is returning none, which will be which will come in here. Okay, display none, display block. So let's try this. Okay, I have saved this. Now when I click on this subscribe कर लो channel अच्छा है, I'll be redirected to the post page, and I click it. You can see the tab navigator disappeared from here, and this is just magic. Just kidding, this is perfect actually. We did this because this happened because the route name contains the post. Okay, that's why it give us return as equal to none. Okay, so I guess this is it for this video. I think you have understood how you can hide the specific hide the tab navigator in specific screens. It was quite simple actually. It is really simple. If you want to navigate to other screens and hide the tab navigator in those screens too, this is just simple. You can just add some more screens in here and name the same thing to this. Like if I want to change hide from post to home, then it will hide from, it will hide on home page. See, it is hiding on home page. Okay, so like this you can do it anywhere. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy hacking. But before that, I want to give a shout out to the person which commented out on my last video, which is this. Okay, this commented on my last video, and thank you so much for commenting on this video. And if you also want to get a shout out, then just comment on this and like this and share this. I'll give you a shout out in the next video. So till then, happy hacking and bye.